Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. Let's flip to my actual page that I'm using here. So here I am ready to decorate for January 23rd through to the 29th. And this week I'm actually going through my sticker stash and using some of this lovely pet tape or washi tape that has been given to me by Cecilia of Scientist Plans, some washi tape, possibly this, I don't know, we will see. And some of this black toile floral from According to Allie. I'm totally stepping outside of my comfort zone by decorating like this, so come along with me. Let's get started. Okay, so what I think I'm gonna do is, first of all, this is gorgeous. I'm gonna cut these into their respective, there we go. And I'm gonna find some way to use this because this is fantastic and it's not how I normally decorate. Like I don't normally decorate using specific kits, but this is way different than what I normally do. So I'm just going to start taking some of these and start putting them down. Oh, there goes Lucy. Hold on. Okay, so I feel like this is gonna be a fly by the seat of my pants type of spread. And you know what? That's okay. If I don't like it, I can just turn the page and this will almost be like, I see every spread that we do in our planners, whether we like it or not, as a learning experience. This is why I'm open to trying different things. Already I'm like, ooh, I like that. I'm open to trying different things because I learn what I like, what I don't like. And if I didn't try new things, I wouldn't discover stuff like this. How would this go? I think it's like this. I'm gonna put it like that. And I'm gonna add, what do I want to add? Oops. I'm thinking in my head what I want to add here in terms of, do I want to add grid washi? Do I want to add this washi? Am I just going to combine all sorts of different types of patterns just to make the eye go a little bit crazy? You know what? I think I might just do something completely different to what I'm used to. I think will probably be the best thing for me in terms of discovering how to use these, the best way to use these. For me, anyway. My method of flying by the seat of my pants may not work for everybody. Oh crap. I hate when I don't lie them down straight and it's, there we go. And then I'll use this. I think this one I want to cut down in half actually. I like the thought of being able to use photos or photo stickers in here, because normally the stickers I decorate with are very they're the watercolor stickers or florals, but they're not realistic art, if that makes sense. I mean, I don't know how else to put that. But they're not photographs. Okay. Gosh, so different to what I'm used to. And I feel like putting one of these would be a bit too much, so let's find a quote. Follow your heart. I feel like I could have probably cut this a little closer, but when it gets to the point where it's so small that you can't even peel the tape off, and I lost my rose gold tweezers like ages ago. I have no idea where they went. It's not like I picked them up and took them outside of this room. But okay. Then I'm gonna do one last bunch here. And which one do I want to use? I think I might use this blue. Yeah. I'll use this blue and do it like this. So it's kind of like I've created my own washi collage up at the top here. Ooh, I like that. And I'll place it like this with a floral from Allie. Oops. Uh-oh. Come on. Oh no, it looks like they're stuck together. I will have to... Oh, don't do that. Okay. And be very careful because I'm afraid I'm going to rip that stem off. Look at that. That is cut. Like that's detail. Oops. Oh wow. I feel like it needs a little bit more green there though. Let's see. I have all of these left. I'm just trying to organize what I have and don't have. But I feel like it does need a little bit more green there. Like what could I put there that's green? Washi? Maybe? What washi do I have that is green? There is this. There is this washi from According to Allie, but I feel like it's putting down a lot. Putting down a lot. So maybe let's just leave it for now. And then I want to put something down in this corner. Gosh, it's so far outside of my comfort zone. I don't know how I feel. Let's do this one. And then we'll put this one in the bottom corner. This part of decorating normally takes me a very short amount of time, but because this is again something I'm so not used to, I'm like ugh, freaking out a little bit. Okay, and then let's do this. I feel like scrapbooking and all of that is like just really a combination or a mishmash of whatever I feel like putting down. There's no rhyme or reason to it. All right, so I'm gonna zoom into the sidebar and let's do that. Okay, so for the sidebar, I'm actually gonna bring in some of my swatches from my orchid collection. I tapped on it like you guys could see what I was doing. So first I'm going to brush letter in the word sleep and take one of the green ones here. There we go. And then this is where I basically have a graph, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. And this is where I keep track of how much sleep I'm getting and my sleep score. So like that. Oh, I smudged it. And then underneath that, I'm going to keep track of my steps. I'm still not fully ready to start a workout regime just yet. With my shoulder being as it is, the last thing I want is to do anything to stop me from healing. How come I could not think of what to say? Saturday and Sunday. All right, so let's move down to the bottom of the page. So down here at the bottom, I will brush letter in the word meals using my Tombow Fudenosuke brush pen, and then using the paint swatches from my orchid collection, placing them as headers on top, and it adds a bit of color, but also has that functional piece as well. Okay, so now I'm gonna go in with my fountain pen. Now, yeah, I think I'll do that. Because I don't have enough of the, well, I could just cut them. All right, I'm just gonna write in here with my fountain pen. I don't know why that was a big kerfuffle. I think it's because this whole thing of using stickers that I'm not familiar with using, it's just a bit scary. But I like using what I have. I'm trying not to buy loads and loads of stickers. I've actually done a little inventory of all the stickers that I currently have. And it's not a lot. It's not a lot, but it's enough that'll get me through really for the next month or so of planning. And I try to really only buy as I need. I don't want to have stickers for months ahead of time. I've done that and I didn't like it. Oh, I like that. Okay. So now going into the day today. To do. So Monday is meal planning and ordering groceries. And then on Tuesday it is, well, we put out the garbage on Tuesday evenings because Wednesday morning is when the garbage truck comes around. So let's get you cute. There we go. This one's from Let's Planet. Makes it seem like I'm the one who takes them out, but it's my husband. That's his job. And then I have an acupuncture appointment on the Tuesday. I have a sticker that I really should use. I have a few stickers that, like emojis and stuff, that I really need to use more of. So 8 o'clock acupuncture. There's enough space. Yeah. Okay. I don't think there's anything that we're doing on Wednesday that I can think of. Then groceries. Pick up the groceries on Thursday evening, and that is again my husband. He does that on his way home from work. Here we go. These are cute grocery bags from Paper Bits Co. And I love her little icons. Pick up groceries. And then here, I used to, on Friday afternoons in my little break there, attend Weight Watchers workshops or workshops. But now they changed the time, so I cannot attend, but I will be filming. There's a few things I need to film that day, actually. The monthly, my weeks, and my cousin. Then Saturday, I think, wait, I know I'm donating blood, I just don't know what time. Okay, so I am donating blood at 12:50. So we could probably do our cleaning that day. And the reason that I say that is because Henry's activities are now on the Sunday. Both activities are on the Sunday. So it's just easier to get all the cleaning done on the Saturday. So let's put this cutie patootie here. And it will be bathrooms. The cabinets and appliances in the kitchen. My husband does the vacuuming and the windows, so the window blinds and the windows themselves. Henry goes around to collect all the bins, and we're teaching him how to sweep. And my daughter helps with the bathrooms, but then she will also help with the door handles and the light switches. And oh, I just realized we don't have to clean that day because we have the cleaner coming on the Monday. Oh my goodness. Give me 2 seconds. It looks okay. But no, we don't have to clean that day because our cleaner's coming on the Monday. But I do have to fold laundry. It's just a matter of what day. Let's use a Coffee Monsters Co. one. Oh, that's not Coffee Monsters Co. That is. So let's, well, okay, let's do it there. Fold laundry. And then here Henry has his Ninja. And then from 1 o'clock to 3 o'clock. No, that's not right. 1:30 to 3 o'clock. Henry is at vertically inclined. So the timing on that is wrong. Oh gosh. Yeah, and I don't like the way that that looks. See, the whiteout's gonna bother me. I could always put a box over it, it's not a big deal. But I think this, yeah, it's gonna bother me that it's at the wrong time. It doesn't normally, but I don't know why for some reason that day it is. So Henry at vertically inclined, 1:30 to 3 o'clock. All right, gosh, if you wanted to see a fly by the seat of my pants type of plan with me, this was it, but also like way out of my comfort zone. Wow. But I got through and I did it. So I'm gonna add one more little thing here. But what? Maybe one of these, because I didn't use this yet. These were from Stationery Pal. And do I want to do that? Let's do it. And then this one with the good things are coming. But before I put that down, I'm going to put a little bit of this washi down, because why not? I'm already doing so many things that are out of my comfort zone, so let's add a little bit more to that. If this plan with me gave you a little bit of anxiety, kind of like it's giving me right now, I'm with you. Come on. Like the peeling of the stickers and the, gosh. But I like this. Good things are coming. Do I put it there or there? Here. All right. It's so different to what I normally do, and then the whiteout is probably going to bother me. Not by much. But hey, we made it through the end of this plan with me, and now I have a spread that is so different to what I normally do, but I was able to use some stickers and some new washi, and yeah, definitely different, but it's just got some touches that I really, really like. All right, so that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know what you guys thought of this plan with me. I'm sighing because it was just like, it felt like a lot of work because it's not what I'm used to, and that's okay. Again, let me know what you guys thought down below. Thank you guys again for watching, and have yourselves a great day.